Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Today's layout is for a challenge. It's for a Facebook group that I've joined of ladies just in Australia, and they do I only recently joined the group. From what I can see, they do a weekend challenge every weekend, and this is this weekend's challenge. Now, the parameters are you have to use more than one photo, patterned paper, paint or ink if you don't have paint, a creative title, and an animal print or theme. So, I have these photos to do. We went to Australia Zoo. I can't talk. Australia Zoo. Would have been 1 year for my daughter's birthday because she loves Australia Zoo and all those sort of animals, not your normal traditional zoo animals. She likes the things that are going to kill you animals. She wanted a snake at one stage. No. But she does love crocodiles. So anyway, we went to Australia Zoo, and I have these photos, which I have cropped down quite a bit. This was a 6x4 photo, and I cropped it down because you don't need all the excess of stuff around it. You want to focus just on the crocodile here. So I've chopped a few of them down to make them, I think they are 3x3 or something around that. So got these photos and then two slightly bigger ones. Alright, so the papers I'm using, because we needed to use an animal print or an animal theme, so I have Bo Bunny, what's it called? Zoology range, and I've used this quite a bit, but I still have lots left. So even though this is more for a normal zoo, I can still make a lot of this work. Like the day tripping sign, hit the road, all those will work on this layout. And then I have another page of stickers with some great alphas for little words I might want to add. So there's lots of little stickers here that I can make work. And then I've got scrap cardstock. There's some great animal prints in here. Not many I can use for crocodiles, but I am going to have to make one of them work. A page of the 6x6 cutter parts, and then smaller ones on the back. See, it's made for more of a traditional zoo with, even though they have giraffes there, it's not like your normal zoo. So if you're not aware, Australia Zoo was founded by Steve Irwin. I'm sure everyone in the States has heard of Steve Irwin, because I know Terry is American. His wife is American, and he was a fantastic loss. Amazing, like, I think I cried when I heard that he passed away. And it was around the same time there was someone else around the same time. It was Graham Kennedy. So if you're Australian, you'll know Graham Kennedy. I grew up watching Graham Kennedy. He was hilarious. And my dad loved Graham Kennedy. So I remember at the time, it's like, I think Graham Kennedy might have gone first. I can't remember which one. But then when the second one happened, I went, oh no, that's two really cool people in a short amount of time. So these are the papers. Very, I could use that. That looks more like elephant. But it's still an animal print. Might work. I don't know. We'll see. Sorry, they're all upside down. So that's a great paper. Love that one. And the big bold zebra print at the back. And then we have one actually with crocodiles on it. I'm not sure if they're alligators or crocodiles, but they will work. They're actually lizards, I think. I think it's meant to be a lizard. Because I know they have, that says elephant on that side. I'm pretty sure that's a lizard, but I'm going to pretend that's a crocodile. Oh yeah, because the face on it, that's like a goanna or something. Anyway, I'm going to make that work. That's a crocodile now. And then we have the lovely, is that a leopard? Or cheetah? That's a cheetah. Oh, you've got crocodile in here, so. Oh, that might work. That paper got crocodile on it. And then I've just got some cardstock, coordinating colours. For my title, if you've heard of Australia Zoo and Steve Irwin, you will know. Wait, I'm going to get all the bits. Crikey, hang on a minute. Oh, that's my title. Crikey. because you know that's their catchphrase. And I'm missing another eye. Oh, not an eye, a dot somewhere. Oh, there it is, upside down. So there's my title. I think that's pretty creative. And I also have a big crocodile I'm going to use as part of my title. So it's going to take up quite a bit of room, my title. And I love this challenge in that it made me get out my Brother Scan and Cut that I haven't used for probably a couple of years. And I cut this crocodile out and the heading on my Scan and Cut. And then I have some other little bits that what are these from? Nitwits and Hullabazoo collection or something like that. I just printed these out, so I'm just going to cut them out by hand. So yeah, that is what I'm using. So let's get on to it. Okay, there's the finished page. And for me, so unusual, there's not a flower on it. I love flowers. But anyway, it didn't suit the theme, so no flowers. And I think I've met all the requirements. I have more than one photo. I have patterned paper. I have paint or ink. I've inked around the sentiments and around the papers. Creative title, Crikey, this place is a zoo. That's a creative title. And I've got animal print or theme. I've got both. There's an animal print here at the background, and it's definitely animal themed. So I've met the criteria, and this was such a fun page to put together. I really, really like how it came out. I don't have journaling on here, and I'm not going to add it on the front. I'm going to put a sleeve, a little pocket at the back with a tab at the top, and it'll be a pull-out journaling. So there you go. That is my finished page. If you have liked this, give me the thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. When you subscribe, hit that bell so you're notified when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching, and have a scrap happy day. Bye.